Potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's words. Ang dilakin natin today is Holy Hotspot. Yung Bible verse is from Matthew 10 verse 7. As you go, proclaim the message. The kingdom of heaven has come near. So, ang ating storyteller today is si Brother Randy Borromeo. He is from Feast Makati before. We're not very sure if there's still Feast Makati. But he's one of the champion or facilitator or organizer of the Feast Conference. Or the Kirigma Conference before, but now they call it Feast Conference. So yung story ni Brother Randy is about him mastering where to get the strongest Wi-Fi. So, hinahanap daw niya yung wireless router. So, yung pag makita niya yung router, even niya, alam niya yung spot na yun has a strong Wi-Fi. So, sabi niya, Jesus, the brightest of heaven, has come over, making His salvation available for us. So, friend, si Jesus, yun nga, He offered His life to us. He died sa cross just so we could have the salvation that we are available for us, no? Sabi niya, grace, ano ba yung grace? Grace is a gift we don't deserve. God comes to us and show us the kindness that we don't serve, but in order to close the gap yung sa atin between God and us. So yun, siya na yung nag-initiate, siya na yung nagbigay ng life niya to us so that we can be saved, no? So next time we need a strong signal, remember the holy hotspot. So that God is always available, that God is always there. So na-share ko nga dun sa yesterday's diba na parang the question is, are you going to the Lord? So sabi ko nga, because of the nature of my work and yung ordinal position ko sa family, eldest and yung position sa work, parang people go to me to consult, to ask coaching, to ask guidance. So parang ako, kanino kaya ako lalapit? So I end up, yun nga, going to God, asking God for guidance, for safety, for protection. Kasi yun, He is the one who's available. So, reflection natin today, grace is not coming to God, but God coming to us. God, thank you for meeting where I am or where we are and waiting for us to where you want us to be. In Jesus' mighty name, amen, amen. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.